All right, what I'm going to do right now is talk about basic assemblies. And the reason we're doing this is because we're going to start working with drawings related to woodworking and woodworking joinery. You can see on my screen, I've created a folder called Woodworking Joints. Up here, I have three. I've got a rabbet, I've got a dado, and I've got a butt joint. You guys are going to do similar things. If you want to create this stuff and put it in a folder, what you do is you come here, you click create, and you create folder. And then you can save those drawings or move drawings into that folder. So I'm going to open this folder, and I'm going to start with a butt joint just to show you the assembly process, how to do an assembly in OnShape. So I'm going to open this drawing. It's probably going to come up to the assembly. So there's the assembly. This is our end goal. This is what we're shooting for. If I go back to my model, here's my solid model, and I basically just have a drawing that is it's to represent a board. The board is 4 by 12 inches long, and then when I extruded it to 3/4 of an inch, 0.75. That's a pretty typical dimension. Could be less, could be more, but that's a pretty typical dimension for a lot of woodworking. So from here, if you look here, I've got two assemblies. I've got this one is a butt joint on edge. Let me see if I can move this. Yep. Okay. So that moves around like that. And so when you look at a butt joint, you've got end grain, the end of this board, mating up with the face grain of this board. Okay. So that's a butt on edge. And then this one is a flat butt joint. So again, but similar situation. You've got end grain on this board and mating up to edge grain instead of face grain on this board. Okay. So if I go back to my part, I'm going to click right here. I know, let's see, I'm gonna, I want to start a new assembly. Let me see here. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I click on the plus and I get create assembly. So I click there. I have a blank screen now. So I'm going to insert a part, insert. I'm going to insert this part. So that, and I'm just going to plunk that down on the screen right there. And then I'm going to click the check mark. And I'm going to make this a little smaller so you guys can see it a little bit better. And you can't do an assembly with only one part, so we have to insert another part. I'm going to insert another one of these. So insert again, click that part, put it down there, click the check mark. So what I could do here, and this is another type of butt joint, just do an edge to edge joint, this edge to this edge, but I'm gonna keep going and do that flat butt joint the way you had before. So what do I have to do? First, I have to rotate one of these two pieces around. So let's take this one. I'm going to click on it, and I get this crazy looking icon right here. And I'm going to grab this arrow and left click and drag, and you can see I've got degrees there showing up. So I want that to be, I want to rotate it 90 degrees. So now this board is perpendicular to this board. And then the next step is to use one of these commands, and these are called mates. So this first one is a fastened mate. That's the one we're going to use. So I'm going to mate this corner or this edge with this edge. So I'm going to do a fastened mate because we don't want anything to move here. And I'm going to take that corner And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click that corner, and then I click the check mark. So now those two are mated together to form that joint that we wanted to do. Okay, so that's the bare bones basics. Now let me make sure this is right. I'm pretty sure it is. Yep. Okay, so we're good there. Let me undo this, and we'll do a zoom to fit. Right, and we'll come back. Let's get back to the asymmetric. Okay, we can see one of those is below the other. That's okay. Now, here's some things that can happen if we do a fastened mate. If I come over here, okay, if you look at where that icon is, it's not positioned properly for the way that I want to mate these. So sometimes what you have to do is you have to move around. See, now my mate icon is on the same plane as this top surface. That's what I want. So sometimes you have to move around until you get the icon in the orientation that you want. So this is what I want. Then I go to this corner. Then I come over here. Okay, that would be wrong. If I click that, I'm going to get a different mate. So that's not what we want. If that happens, I click the check, undo it, go back, do a new fastened mate, click there, click there. Okay, get this into the correct orientation again. Move it around on the surface so that it's turned the way you want that icon to turn. And then click there. Oh, it didn't work. So let's do that again. One more time. Want that one, and we want that one. That should do it. So there we go. So that's what we're shooting for. And we're going to talk more about different joints, but I wanted to give you a heads up and a preview of assemblies.